welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? Your girl SHAI is back. So y'all, I have a mukbang today that is near and dear to me because anytime I can get me some Chef Tina Lee cooking, I am just so ecstatic. So she did brunch today, so we have some Cremas cheesecake bread pudding, y'all. Oh my gosh, fire. Okay, we have some fried chicken. We have a breakfast burger, Angus beef with bacon, tomato, lettuce, and her bankroll sauce, fire. And then we have some sweet potatoes. I think it's Parmesan sweet potato fries. And we have me a watermelon hint, y'all. So let's go ahead and pour this up. It ain't no fizz, but you know, here we go. That's it, that's all. And we also have a red velvet cake, y'all. Her red velvet cake, oh my gosh. You know how red velvet cakes normally taste like chocolate? It got like a strong cocoa flavor to it. Not this one. Nah. That one don't. So y'all, let's go ahead and snack. I'm gonna put a little ketchup right here for my french fries. And then got me a little napkin. I got me some hot sauce for my chicken. And I got some syrup and some more of the bankroll sauce. It came with the burger, so you can see it. It's not white. I don't know why it's coming up white. It's like a peachy color. And then this is the syrup. This is hot, but let me put this hot sauce. Y'all know. Might want some syrup on my chicken. And I had got some of her batter. It's called Not Your Mama's or Your Mama's seasoned flour. I'm gonna try to make my own fried chicken. Cause this batter is so good, y'all. Her website is chefTinaLee.com. You can buy that cake. You can buy that seasoned flour. You can buy her epic. She is Haitian Bahamian. Oh my god. She the one who make the Tarzan seasoning that I'm always talking about, y'all. Alright, we finna bite that burger because that bacon is calling my name. I ain't gonna tell y'all how it started raining while I was there. So I got caught up in the rain. So I ain't have no time to like do my makeup. Like it's just it's just one of them mukbangs, okay? I'm here. That's what matters. I'm here. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. Look at it. It's egg and cheese and tomatoes. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's so much juice. And that bacon. That is thick cut bacon. Yes. I gotta take this off. I'm sorry. That lettuce done got soggy from the From my juice. That's busting. They gotta be, that bacon tastes like applewood. Applewood hickory smoked bacon. All right. I forgot to open up this, my utensils, so I can get inside this bread pudding. Y'all, I love her bread pudding. She put like this, y'all see that white stuff up there? That's like cream, cheese, cream. It tastes like cheesecake almost. Let me get this blueberry with it. Put a little, the cheesecake stuff on there. Do y'all see that? Let me tell you, I grew up not eating bread pudding. I didn't think it was like anything appetizer, you know, like, let me know in the comments down below if you eat bread pudding. It just wasn't something that I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get me some bread pudding. Like, they put desserts out and stuff like that. Oh yeah, they got bread pudding, let me get some of that bread pudding. Nah, sis, that was not me. I'm a lash. But her bread pudding, I'm like, was I missing out all these years? And I just didn't know that bread pudding be this fine. Like, look at the thickness. Y'all, girl. Oh my gosh. And the outside of it, it's like ooey gooey. Chef know she got, Chef can get it. She could come be our sister wife. Alright, oh my gosh. It's always good when you can get bomb custom food, you know. Let me get a little bit more of this. That strawberry is so big. I'm trying to cut it. We brunching, y'all. I gotta be able to try her conch next. That's another piece of chicken. I don't know how that was. Baby. So how y'all doing? We can talk. What y'all been doing? So I've been recording. I mean, not recording. I've been working on. It was so funny because I had seen a post about quarantine and how wives or spouses want everybody to fix up what they've been putting off around the house. And it tickled me because that's exactly what I've been doing. Y'all know I love to do DIY projects. So I was telling y'all earlier in the week, I beat that wrong, that I redid my console table and to go subscribe to my other channel because I was going to post it. I also started on my desk that I eat on. My homegirl had gave me this desk. I was in the market for a desk for my mukbangs, and she gave it to me, and she had tried to DIY it herself, but she kind of messed up the painting, so it was like bubbles and some of it was peeling off because she didn't get a chance to like sand it real finely, so the paint didn't really stick. So I started working on that as well. I didn't video that one though. I don't know why I didn't, but cause y'all, I had to sand down them drawers, and them drawers big. This like a, I want to say like a 80s style wood desk, so it has huge drawers. Yeah, I was out on that balcony sweating my life away. Let me taste this baked roll sauce with this. Okay, chef. Whew. Don't do it, stomach. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Ooh. Hold on, let me. The bottom layer of this burger is gone. I'm gonna just take it off. It's soggy. That burger was that juicy. And you know I had to drive with it. When you're driving, it's closed up in a box, it's sweating. Putting that fried egg on a burger, might love it. When we lived on Biscayne, it was a burger joint right across the street from our house, our complex, and he would get their breakfast burgers. I'm born when it comes to food. Like, I eat what I know, you know. But I tasted a bite of his and I was like, okay. Woo! See, it's starting to get full, y'all. I love sweet potato fries. So anyways, that's what I've been up to, you know. Oh, and I've been reading BH Hardin. They have some good books on the Amazon Kindle. I had a membership where you get Kindle Unlimited. Y'all, I was reading this book called The Hidden Wife, and it's The Hidden Wife. Okay, it's 3 parts to this book, child. Don't worry about beauty. Part 1 was pretty much about, well, do y'all want me to spoil it for y'all? Oh, y'all gonna go read the book. My homegirl, Strawberry. That's Tiffany's name in the book. Her real name is Tiffany, but she go by Strawberry. Like, her family and stuff call her Strawberry because when she was growing up, she used to love strawberries. It's like, okay, sis. She got some bad she got some bad karma that she been waiting for like 10 years to come back and get her, and it finally do. And baby, when I tell you, I was, oh well, I wasn't flipping the page really because it's on the Kindle, but I was tapping away. Tap next page, tap next page. Read that book in an hour and 30 minutes. Part 2. I was like, you know what? Yesterday actually was a pretty decent day, even though it rained, and it's raining again now, but I told y'all that earlier. It only rained earlier, and then by the afternoon time, the sun came out. And around 5, 6, the wind was blowing all cool and nice. Excuse me. So I decided to sit out on the balcony and read the other, part 2 book. I finished that out on the balcony. I was like, dog. I think I read that book in like an hour and some change too. Because they're not really long books. And I like to read anyways. Might should have pulled that off before I cut that. I'm gonna cut it off of this one. You got blueberries. I mean, mulberries on here too. Y'all know this is gonna be my meal for tomorrow. This right here. Cause y'all know this one meal a day actually ain't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I really have gotten used to it. And remember, at first I was telling y'all the snacking. I was like, it's so hard not to snack. But when you start cutting back, naturally you get used to it. So I still been giving myself one snack, but I've been wanting it to be like fruit. Like last night I had me some pineapple, some pine. And a little bit of orange juice. But my mama was telling me, she was like, I really want you, I know you're doing this 30-day challenge, but I want you to keep working out, you know. Because before I moved to Miami, I really was like really big on working out. And then I just got here and showed out. You know, they had foods that I never tasted before, never experienced. You know how that can be, you know. Shay always been a little foodie, but I was telling her I know I am, and I've actually increased my time. So y'all know I was trying to do 20 minutes of my Zumba, which I still do 20 minutes of Zumba. However, for the other 10 minutes, and even sometimes more than that, I'm doing other stuff to increase my heart rate. That hit watermelon, hit the spot, baby. Woo! I low-key want to finish my burger. I really do, right? because I can't heat this back up, you know. What? We can't. I think I'm done. I want that bacon off of it though. I can't eat no more. Come on, bacon. Do that thick cut bacon. Bacon. So y'all continue to stay safe out there. I love you guys. I truly, truly do. I can get that meat the beauty. Yeah, she'll like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this brunch as much as I did. My battery is about to die. Be who you are. Be beautiful. Don't forget to take care of yourself because self-care matters. Shouts out to our post notification person. Shouts out to you, boo. Shouts out to you. And until our next video, love, peace, and hair oil. Peace.